Hi, I'll be sharing with you today how the rich people think and how you too can adopt this type of mindset to do better and live your best life. And this mindset is different from the way the poor people think, obviously. But let's just go right into the video. The rich people think in assets. They build assets that in turn give them money over time, like repeated money over time. These assets could be real estate, it could be in bonds, it could be in stocks, it could be in whatever form, right? But they make sure that they invest in assets that doesn't depreciate easily to be able to contain and maintain their wealth. Another way the rich people think is they think in systems. Poor people just allow things to happen by chance, but rich people think in system. They allow and try to set up ways that can be easily repeated, right? Easily repeated for them to make their life easier. Rich people think in dominance, in control. Poor people think in scarcity. They are always bothered about food. They think in consumption. Poor people think in consumption. But rich people, they think in productivity. They think in production. That is why you see that factories, you see that industries are being owned by the rich people. They think in innovation and they think in strategies. But poor people, they think in food, their tummy, and shelter, basically. And that's why you can hear a poor man say, well, I just want to have money to take care of me, myself, and my family, and that's all. But rich people, they think beyond themselves, they think beyond their family, their immediate family. They think global dominance. They think, what can I do? What problem can I solve? The value that they have or they bring to the world is so high that even the world has to recognize that somebody has walked on the face of the earth. But poor people are so focused on their self. Poor people are very greedy and they just think about their next meal. And you won't blame them, it's just their poor mindset. I hope you just watch these videos and check yourself.